what makes something like Lovable is so appealing, it's the same thing that makes Webflow so appealing, is the immediate visual feedback that you get from the actual tool that you're learning. However, I just feel like if you want that feedback, you want that visual feedback so that you can learn how moving something actually affects what you see. That is what these tools don't really do. It's not as easy to just jump into like a file, change like the padding of this and that if you don't know what you're coming from. That's what Webflow does. So I feel like Webflow is just like way better at like showing you, hey, if you move this, then this happens in your front end. For me personally, I feel like learning how everything fits together with no code and then straight transitioning to something like Claude Code is probably like the best way to get into AI coding, if you know what I'm saying.
I agree 100%. I just think it's a big gap. So I think that anyone and everyone, like I know some people who've been sending like they're getting their parents vibe coding with like Google AI Studio, Lovable, stuff like that. That's really cool because people can build stuff for themselves, for their family, just because it's cool. It's fun and it gets them into it. And I love that. And I'm all there for that. But like the difference is I would be able to build, I'm not going to say an enterprise application, but like I would be able to build, manage, and maintain an application doing, at least a couple tens of thousands a month of like monthly active users with no problem because I understand how everything works. But if you have someone who doesn't, they don't have that foundation. They don't know where to look. If something in my app is broken, I almost always know the exact file where something is broken in it because I understand that. And so if you give someone who just has no idea, then I don't know. I'd like to see it.